Hello, friend. Today I'm chattering about gratitude beneath the dust. My friend has just been to Morocco on holiday and she had a lovely time, but shared with me that it was a bit of a culture shock for her. She was deeply saddened and surprised by the level of poverty she witnessed, with many people living in tin huts. I'm not a house proud person, but we are blessed to live in a beautiful house and not a tin hut. Although I'm very grateful for our home, I have to admit, deep cleaning is not very high on my list of priorities, as it is a task I dislike very strongly. Cleaning under the bed and behind furniture just didn't seem important to me, and surely it doesn't need cleaning behind there or under there. But then recently, when moving some furniture, yikes! Yes, it does need cleaning behind there and under there. It was bad. I have to tell you that I'm pleased there was no one following me wearing white gloves. Today, I am mindful of what my friend shared, and I have witnessed the same on my own travels, not in Morocco, but other parts of Africa I visited. And those families are on my heart tonight, and I'm grateful to be reminded of it that I have a permanent home to deep clean, and I won't be moaning about it, but instead getting busy with a grateful heart. Remember, friend, today is a good day, even when it doesn't feel that way. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.